Are you going to clean that up? Yeah. Now is your sock wet?
Uh-huh.
Oh well. Alright, we got dry socks.
Take a picture of me.
Okay, I did. Okay, Cassie, that looks pretty good. That's fine. Because we'll throw it in the wash, okay?
Let's throw it in the washer.
The rug, that little rug, it'll go right in the washing machine.
Are you talking
Cassie.
about the stripes?
It's okay, honey. Yeah, this the one with the stripes.
It's not gonna work in.
What?
It's not gonna work in.
It's not going to work in the washer?
No.
Why?
I
It
don't
does.
know.
I throw it in all the time. It comes out real clean. Did you throw that in the sink, baby? Okay. You ready to get some socks on and we'll take a nap? You're going to drive a big red car. You want to get all fixed up? Okay. Where's my big dog?